startup.
Roger, stand by.
393, Golf 9 is ready.
Orange 393, goedemorgen. Can you accept the section Sierra 6?
Affirmative, Orange 393.
Orange 393, the QNH 1013 with information Victor, contact 121.8.
118, information Victor 1013, Orange 393.
Yes please, Alpha taxiway, United 20.
Thank you, sir.
Kilo 1263 for taxi. Kilo 1263, taxi 2, runway.
Before start checklist. Business signs 1. The MCP. V2 is 161. Heading is 238 and altitude level 60.
The takeoff speeds V1 155, V rotate 156, V2 161. The CDU pre-flight completed. Taxi and takeoff briefing completed.
Completed.
Before start checklist complete.
Yeah.
25, thank you. Right. 603 request taxi. Jamrock 603, taxi to runway 24, Sierra 6, standby frequency 121.7. 2406, standby 121.7, Jamrock 603, good day.
Ground, goedemorgen, Orange 393, Golf 9 requesting start and push.
Ready for departure. Fraction 008 Quebec, continue for Golf 1, but hold short of the runway inbound traffic. Continue Golf 1, hold short of the runway, fraction 008 Quebec. Ground, Boeing, Tech Aviation 214, runway 22 back 80. Tech Aviation 214, hello, taxi 2, Golf Lima, via taxiway Golf. Taxi 2 Golf Lima, via taxiway Golf 214. Kilo 1845, fully ready, able Echo 5? Nou, nog mooier, Echo 4. Echo 5 then for you please. Echo 5 en ja, ready, Kilo 1845, dankjewel. Easy 81 Yankee Romeo, approaching Alpha 13, give way to the KLM 737 coming up from the right. And for you then to enter the apron Alpha 13 and leave via Alpha 12.
Okay, give way to the 73 from the right and into Alpha 13 and out by Alpha 12, you see 81 Yankee Romeo.
KLM 282, first left on Bravo.
First left van Bravo, KLM 22, goedemorgen.
Goedemorgen, United 20, enter the apron Alpha 13.
Say again, Alpha 13 transition.
Correct, sir.
Roger, Alpha 13 to Bravo, United 20.
Kilo 1845, give way to the company 73, left to right for November 2. For you, Echo 5 to hold short and the tower 119.225. Echo 5, 9228. Kilo 5 from Charlie, the tower 119.225.
119.225, Kilo 5 from Charlie. Ground to Orange 393, ready.
Easy 1 for Romeo Charlie, taxi runway 24, Sierra 6.
2406, easy 14 Romeo Charlie, roger.
Ground to Orange 393, Golf 9 ready for start and push.
Correct. Alpha 13, a right turn to enter the apron, sir.
No,
Enter the apron, roger, United
take
20.
the number.
KLM 282 on Bravo, hold short of Alpha 19er or 18, whatever you prefer for the bridge.
Oké, hold short Alpha 19er or Alpha 18. We gaan even kijken.
Ja, Fox 5 gate, still occupied, company traffic.
Oh, jammer. Oké.
Ground to Orange 393, Golf 9 requesting start and push.
Orange 393, standby, outbound traffic.
Standby, Orange 393.
KLM 263, contact tower 119.225.
1925, 1263, doei.
Fraction 008 Quebec, hold short and contact tower 119.225.
Ground flight deck.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. Just to let you know, we are waiting for outbound traffic.
214 jet, general aviation.
Okay, sir, see it.
21925, you.
Easy 68 Kilo Mike, taxi.
Easy 68 Kilo Mike, taxi runway 24, Sierra 6, expedite out the apron, please. Orange 393, the start and push approved.
Start and push approved, Orange 393.
Okay, ground. This is flight deck. We are cleared for push and start brakes are set to park.
Okay, sir, release brake, please.
Alpha 13.
Parking brake is released.
Okay, the brake was off, push it back down, and both engines starting.
Okay, starting both engines simultaneously.
Okay.
You see ICAS messages?
Yeah, we may clear them.
Cargo AC forward.
Okay. Start the right engine.
Right engine.
Starting right.
And start the left engine.
Both engines.
Whereas normally on other airplanes the engine just started with air to rotate the N2. Here, however, the engines are started electrically. The generators are used as starter motors as well. Now the APU is providing power to the main buses, and the electrical system is now powering the variable frequency starter generators. There are 2 fitted to each engine, so we have 4 starter generators. What you see here is that several systems are being load shed electrically because a lot of power is needed to start both engines at the same time. The auto start system automatically decides when to introduce the fuel and the igniters, and if the start should fail, it will cut the fuel and then reattempt it for 3 times before stopping the engine start altogether.
Transloader, set park back please.
Brakes are set to park.
Checked.
Now the engines are running and the starters have become generators now. Less systems are being load shed and the APU has now been switched off. Okay, ground, we have 2 good starts. You may disconnect and we'll see you on the right hand side with the all clear signal. Have a good day.
Thank you very much. MSA 500 right hand side, this pin and a good flight.
Thank you, bye bye.
Bye bye.
The truck is disconnected, flaps 5. To the flight control check. It's not necessary to bring up the flight control synoptic page during the flight control check. The system it does its own self-test of all the flight controls. This flight control check is simply a check of freedom of movement.
Check the pin.
Yeah, that's all checked. So it's basically to see if my arms can reach full down elevator and if my belly is not in the way for full up elevator. Feet on the pedals for the rudder check. Rudder full left, center and full right. The before taxi checklist.
The before taxi checklist, NTI's, auto, recall.
It's checked.
Checked. Flight controls.
Cargo AC forward was a MEL item in the book, yeah. Flight controls are checked.
And the ground equipment?
It's clear.
It's clear. Before taxi checklist complete.
Roger.
Orange 393, questions.
Orange 393, taxi Sierra 6, runway 24.
Taxi Sierra 6, runway 24, Orange 393.
Shamrock 6, go with me.
That's clear?
Shamrock 6 here, Echo, hello.
Left is clear. And then I'm ready for the before takeoff checklist.
The before takeoff checklist complete.
Checklist complete.
Adria 7174, are you ready for departure?
Hey Tom, Adria 7174.
Perfect, come to the tower 119.9, good day.
119.9, good day, Adria 7174.
Orange 393, continue to Sierra 6, the Fokker 100 on taxiway Bravo is no conflict. Come to the tower 119.9, good day.
Ground Delta 179 is ready to taxi.
Takeoff
1212 is on standby. Departure frequency.
Goedemorgen, KM 27 Yankee approaching Echo 6, ready sequence.
Morgen, KM 27 Yankee behind Air France, line behind, 1 is left Echo 6.
Air France line behind, runway 1 is left Echo 6, KM 27 Yankee.
Correct.
So good day, Adria 7174, it's Sierra 5 124.
Hello, Adria 7174, behind the Lingus, line behind 24 Sierra 5 for the Spijkerboard 2 kilo departure.
Lining up behind Lingus 124, Spijkerboard 2 kilo, Adria 7174.
Thank you.
Good morning, Orange 393. Ready for departure checks.
Orange 393, goedemorgen, behind the Carpathia Fokker, line behind 24 Sierra 6.
Behind the Fokker line up behind runway 24 Sierra 6 behind Orange 393.
Correct.
Left Echo 46.
Goedemorgen, helemaal 93 Offshore.
Also.
Runway 24 Sierra 6 is identified.
Check.
Kellerman 641 at this moment, number 2, number 1 is Echo 5.
Number 2, Kellerman 61.
Delta 179er, still able to go Sierra 5?
Affirmative, Delta 179er.
Thank you, Delta 179er, and behind the TUI 787, line behind runway 24.
Okay, line up and wait on 24 at Sierra 5 after the 787 Delta 17.
393, runway 24 cleared for takeoff, 240 degrees, 14 nautica 20.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, Orange 393.
There is, sorry, stop the beginning.
No problem.
Okay, she's on the brakes.
Alright.
You have control.
I have control. Take off.
Runway 24 is confirmed.
Dag Kellerman Bravo, hold short.
Hold short, hold Bravo.
Thrust is set. knots.
Check. 5 doing 230 degrees, 12 knots. 1 is left, Echo 5, clear for takeoff.
Echo 5, 1 is left, clear for takeoff, clear 105.
D1.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Here up.
Trust ramp, VNAV speed.
Checked.
Delta 179er, wind 240 degrees, 13 knots, gust 20, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, Delta 179er.
Orange 393, yellow, glass level 4130.
Level 130, Orange 393.
Departure low, Kilo 1315, positive to 300, Echo 3 Echo. Kilo 1315, ground level 130.
After takeoff checklist.
Adria 7174, contact Amsterdam 134, decimal 375. 124, 375, Adria 7174, good way.
Departure Delta 179er with you at a 2 for flight level 60.
Delta 179er, hello, glass level 130.
Flight level 130, Delta 179.
Orange 393, contact Amsterdam 125.750.
Amsterdam 125.750, Orange 393.
Airman 002, descent flight level 120. Level 120 now, level 1002.
Amsterdam Orange 393, climb level 130.
Orange 393, goeiedag, climb flight level 190.
Climb flight level 190, Orange 393.
Airman 002, fly the arrival, Orange Schiphol share public.
We hebben met some manual flying past them.
Correction, yes, 100.
Sure.
Yeah, after Schiphol share public. Okay, Schiphol share public, Airline 1002. Delta 74, descent flight level 110. Descent flight level 110, Delta 74. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Airman 002, descent flight level 110. Descent level 110, 1002. Orange 393, climb flight level 220.
Climb flight level 220, Orange 393.
Sergeant Delta 179, with you at 107 for 130.
Flight level 220 is set. Checked.
240. 003, 126 miles, 27 left, full sun, only 120 left, 4. Right. Area 3164, 28.
$2,500. $1,000. $500. $400. $300. Approaching decision height. 200. Decision height. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.